Hi friends, welcome to a festive style video. Today I'm going to decorate my front porch for the 4th of July. It's going to be something very affordable and very easy to recreate. In fact, most of the items I plan to use are from the Dollar Tree. I'll share those with you here in a minute, but I hope you find this video inspiring. Maybe you're hosting a 4th of July party next week and you're brainstorming on how to make your front entrance look a little more patriotic. This is the video for you. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it, and let's begin. So my plan is to create a garland using these items, but I'm not exactly sure how I want to do it. I'm gonna play around with it, and whatever I come up with, I will show you guys. But I picked up a tablecloth. They had different tablecloths perfect for hosting that 4th of July party. They had cups, napkins, so if you are throwing a party, check them out. It's such a great way to decorate without breaking the bank. I'm all about saving money, but I also wanted to show you how cute these flags are. They're actually chair covers for $1.25, such a good deal. And then they had a whole assortment of different types of bows. So. First things first, I'm going to give the porch a good dusting, sweeping, wiping the windows, wiping the door as well. It's surprising how dusty the front door can get, but I love, as I'm editing this footage, I can see my dogs just peeking out the window every now and then. It is the cutest. Now for the fun part, let's do some decorating. So I'm going to start with using these flags. These are the chair covers that I showed you. And what I decided to do is to hang them on either side of the window. And I'm gonna hang 2 on each side, so 4 flags total. So I'm taking the stripes from the second flag and I'm just going to attach them to that first flag, which you'll see here in a minute. And Bella thought she'd stop by and say hello. Look how cute she is. Oh my goodness, I can't with these dogs, they're just too cute. So what I did to attach the flags to the door, I'm actually using some masking tape. Not masking tape, but packing tape. And I stuck it on the window, not necessarily the painted part of the door, because I don't want that paint to come off the door. So I'm using the shipping tape just on the window, and it worked like a charm. Hopefully they stay up. They feel like they're pretty sturdy up there. So I did the same thing on the other side of the window, and if you see me, I keep looking back. I was asking my daughter what she thought. Was it even? Did I need to adjust anything? She is such a good little helper. She helped me decorate this door. I really like how the flags look on either side of the door. Next, I think I'm gonna use this tablecloth and kind of create like a draped banner and see if I can't drape it like on top of the door and then on either side. I'm not sure. If I don't do that, then I'm gonna create the garland. So let's see what works. Initially, I thought I was going to create garland using the Dollar Tree items, but lo and behold, I ended up using the tablecloth. This was the one item I bought that I did not think I would use. It was like a last resort, but I had the idea of creating kind of like a swag above the door. And so what I did was I trimmed the tablecloth in half lengthwise so I could connect the 2 ends and make it longer. And I just tied them together in the middle using the ends of the tablecloth as kind of like a decorative accent. And it worked perfectly. I really loved how it looked, so I just went with it. And I ended up tying a bow to the center there, and then I put a bow in either corner, and it just looks adorable.
Just as it stood, like a quiet dream. The shadows of that time are cast beneath the streetlight beam. As the world moves on, time sings a song. Don't cry.
It turned out much better than I even hoped for. I think it looks so festive. I love it. So now I think I'm going to add a wreath, just a very simple green one, and my topiaries, and then finally I'll put a little welcome mat here.
I can't see clearly how we had it made, and I remember every face. And when I think of them, it takes me to that time.
I decided to go with this neutral colored wreath so that it didn't conflict with all of the colors going on around the door. But to tie it in with the rest of the decor, I did tie a simple little dainty red bow to it just to kind of dress it up a bit. And I did the same thing to the topiaries that I put out. I thought that they looked a little plain all on their own, so I ended up tying a bow around the center, and I also added a few flags. And to secure the flags, I brought out the shipping tape again and just stuck them to the inside of the pot. That is a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully you are feeling inspired and motivated to do some decorating of your own. Let me know down below if you have decorated your front porch or back porch, or if you plan to. I'd love to hear all about it. I love hearing from you guys, so leave all the comments you can down below. But give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're new, because I have many more videos coming your way. But happy Independence Day. Have a wonderful holiday with your friends and family, and I'll see you very soon in my next one. Take care.